there, smart buyers! Welcome back to Buy Smart, the channel where we help you make the best purchasing decisions without losing your mind or your wallet. Today, we have a thrilling face-off between two titans of the 3D printing world, the Sovol SV06 and the Creality Ender 3v3 SE. It's like a 3D printer wrestling match, and you're the referee. So let's dive right in. First up, let's talk about the price. The Sovol SV06 comes in at a cool $249. Not bad, right? But wait. Creality Ender 3v3 SE is here to crash the party with a price tag of $219. According to Amazon reviews, many users appreciate the affordability of the Ender 3v3 SE, making it a popular choice for budget-conscious buyers. So if you're looking to save a few bucks, the Ender 3v3 SE is your guy. Next, we have print speed. The Sovol SV06 can go from 50 mm per second to 150 mm per second if you update the firmware. Reviewers have noted that this speed is quite sufficient for most projects. However, the Creality Ender 3v3 SE laughs in the face of 150 mm per second with its insane 250 mm per second speed. It's like comparing a cheetah to a house cat. According to user reviews, this speed has impressed many users, making it ideal for those who want to complete projects quickly. Sorry, Sovol, but Creality just zoomed past you on this one. Now, let's talk extruders. Sovol SV06 boasts a planetary dual-gear direct drive. Sounds fancy, right? It's like having a tiny, precise robot arm feeding your filament. Reviews highlight its reliability and smooth performance. But Creality Ender 3v3 SE is not backing down with its Sprite direct extruder. This thing has pushed more filament than a Play-Doh factory. It's reliable, powerful, and smooth, with users praising its performance. Both are solid, but I've got to give it to Creality for its proven track record. Sovol SV06 has a 25-point auto-leveling system that's so precise it could probably land a spaceship. It's got an inductive sensor that makes sure your first layer is as smooth as butter on hot toast. Reviewers have praised this feature for making setup easier. But Creality Ender 3v3 SE isn't about to let Sovol have all the fun. It's got a CR touch sensor for auto-leveling and a strain sensor for auto-Z.offset. You could practically take a nap while it levels itself. According to reviews, this extra sensor gives it the edge in precision and ease. Close call, but Creality's extra sensor gives it the edge. Sovol SV06 flexes with its PEI-coated build plate, making it easy to remove prints without feeling like you're wrestling a stubborn jar lid. Users have appreciated this feature for its convenience. Meanwhile, Creality Ender 3v3 SE keeps things simple and effective with its standard build plate. While functional, Sovol's PEI coating is just too good to ignore. Assembly time. Sovol SV06 claims you can put it together in 5 steps. Sounds easy, right? Reviewers have found the assembly process straightforward and user-friendly. But hold your horses, because Creality Ender 3v3 SE only needs 3 steps to assemble. That's less time assembling and more time printing. It's like a microwave dinner versus a 3-course meal, and reviewers love the quick setup. Overall, the Sovol SV06 is highly praised for its reliability, print quality, and ease of assembly, although some users have experienced issues with customer service. On the other hand, the Creality Ender 3v3 SE is lauded for its affordability, speed, and user-friendly features. Although some users have reported initial setup issues and software compatibility problems. So there you have it, folks. While the Sovol SV06 has some impressive features and definitely holds its own, the Creality Ender 3 V3 SE just keeps bringing the heat. It's faster, cheaper, and easier to assemble, making it our top pick for today. But hey, both of these printers are fantastic, and you really can't go wrong with either. If you enjoyed this video, smash that like button, hit subscribe, and leave a comment about which product you prefer and why. Product links are in the description. Until next time, stay smart and happy buying!